I'm Dee.
I'm a poet,
A writer, a pointless winner, an LGBTQ activist, and I'm also a trustee. And I want you to know that you can be one too. Being a trustee is what you make of it. It's somebody who sits on a board, goes to board meetings and makes sure that the campaigns we run and the policy we deliver are within keeping of the mission statement really of the charity you work for. I get to work on focus groups and task forces for the Senate. And I get to go in and say, our members want this and what you're suggesting isn't good enough. And to be able to have the power to do that, it's absolutely wonderful. That's the part of the job I love the most, getting to change policy so things are easier for everybody. I was inspired to become a trustee by the wonderful women who are already trustees. I had no idea that it was a role I could fulfil. I was a working class girl off a council estate and I didn't think it was for me. I asked the questions. I said, what will it entail? How would this work? And I filled in the application and went for it. The perception that a trustee is only a certain type of person has come about, I think, because being a trustee was a certain type of person. That's just not the case now. I'm not white. I'm covered in tattoos and piercings, have a shaved head and bleached hair. What people look like shouldn't actually matter. We have a real tendency to play down our achievements, and being on the board of trustees has stopped me doing that. My confidence has grown. I have come on leaps and bounds. I own my area of expertise now. Do it now, do it yesterday. Ask somebody else who's a trustee to help you with the application. Think about what your skills are and what they can do for somebody else. Having this experience under your belt is so valuable. My life has changed completely since I took on the trusteeship.